Hi, this is Monica Weekly. I'm a real estate agent in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm also coaching and training agents all around the country and in Canada. Today, I want to ask you this question. Have you ever heard of the secret referral formula? Last week, we talked about why do people give referrals? It's really important to understand that. Today, I want to talk to you about how once I understood the secret referral formula, I was able to predict my income through referrals. I think this is a huge challenge that a lot of agents face who want to do business by referral. They feel like maybe they don't have control of that business. And once I figured out this system, this formula, it enabled me to predict my income and run a business that I was really proud of and really enjoyed. So let's dive in and let's talk about this. The secret referral formula is this. I want you to think of two gear shifts, and they're together for leverage. The first side of the gear shift is that we need to show up as a human being first, realtor second. Write that down. Human being first, realtor second. When we decide every single day that we wake up and we look at our top 100 to 150 relationships and that we're going to pour into those relationships, deepening and strengthening them, finding what we can do to help them, even outside of real estate today, we will begin a practice and a culture in our business that we'll be really proud of. So you have one side of the gear shift or one gear shift that is the human being first, realtor second. The other part that fits nicely in here and has to go together with it is to fly your real estate flag every single day. What do I mean by that? Fly your real estate flag. Well, this is where we demonstrate, educate, inform, and even entertain people with what we know about real estate. Here's the great news. People love what you do. Thank goodness you're not selling insurance. People love what we do. They're interested. So when you use all the things you have access to share information and come from contribution, that's you flying your real estate flag. And when you combine those two things together, you will leverage out referrals. You will never have to ask for a referral because that doesn't feel good. And you will be able to predict the income of your business and have a business that you're really proud of. If you want to talk more about what do those things look like on a daily basis, please feel free to click below, get on my calendar, get on a call. I love helping agents like you that want to do business by referral. I believe it lifts our entire industry up and it is my passion. So I'm here for you to do that. I look forward to hearing from you.